one of the greatest things that peppers require is sunshine and light, and also a good feed of fertilizer, natural fertilizer, or equally rainfall. But if you decide to water your plants, use the water, and you can use your hose, but it'd be ideal, you know, if you catch some water in a container and leave it to sit for a day or overnight. Then the chlorine would kind of dissipate, and the peppers would get a much better watering. You with me? But so, if you can tell that I have a lot of peppers growing here. So what I do in the mornings, I arrange them so they can get, I move them around so they can get enough sunshine. As you can tell, there's a lot of them in here, a lot of habaneros, and they need sunshine, and the sun is going to shine today. So what I have done, or what I'm doing, is literally moving them around so they can get light. Equally, I've done the same for the ones in the raised bed. And remember, guys, anybody can plant anything, you know. Just get a container. If you have one kerosene tin pan, knock it out, and you know, put some holes in the bottom, some things in like stones for drainage, and you'll be all right. Look, I have turned my garden. Now look, I think this one is going to be ripened red. It's a lot of leaves, but don't worry about the leaves. Yeah, but yes, what I do in the mornings, I kind of arrange them, arrange the peppers so they get enough sunshine, so everybody can get, you know, to ripened really good. This is a twin pepper, and they have a nice smell, you know, very nice. This is another one. Oh, I'm just quickly showing you. This is another pepper. You see that one? Yeah. And if you notice, guys, what you notice here, I've started putting the peeling skin in the container, so that helps to build the soil. Here's another one. See, so the sun can get to them. So yeah, even if I have to block the road, you notice we block up the road. Yeah, man, block up the road, and then the bees will get to pollinate any young ones. Look at this tree. This tree full of pepper, full of peppers. So this is my job in the mornings, to ensure that everybody get. Look, whole heap of pepper grow in England, and it's one woman and our peppers. Look, peppers over here. So oh my God, peppers. Yes, and look, another big raised bed of peppers. And then the Scotch Bonnets start to come through, which is so one of my favorite Scotch Bonnets. Let me see, this one just started. But yes, over here, if you can tell, you see the hottest peppers lined up right here. Have a look at the Joe's long. See the Joe's long? They're very, very long. But yeah, these are the Armageddons, the Trinidad Scorpion, and a lot more up there. You can tell that's the ghost. The ghost. It probably have a name in it, why I call it ghost. Look at this one. See, peppers, whole heap of peppers. You can tell different type of chilies as well. Lots of chilies, lots and lots of chilies. And the Jamaican peppermint, you'd probably love to see that, don't you? Right, so yes, but I've got the all the echinaceas and the hebes for the bees to pollinate, so, and to, you know, keep the garden really colorful. And if you look down there, hold on, you see the gungo peas. You see the gungo peas? Look, come on now, gungo peas. And look, behind the gungo peas is the oil nut tree. You see the oil nut tree? Who knows the oil nut castor oil could be growing right here. And look at the red one. Look at the red one. And to hear the birds chirping in the morning. Then you have cucumbers. I'm showing you what's going on now. Cucumbers, them long. Look at them long. Long. And then you have the pharmacy over here. But I'll talk more about the pharmacy. The cerci start to blossom. I'll talk more about the pharmacy. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on here. And the chochos. Chochos are really good. Look at chochos. Chochos are coming through. Just pray that the squirrel don't come and bite them off. Because I have no luck with the squirrel. Right? No luck with the squirrel. Right, guys, remember to share up the live here. share up the video, please. Thank you. And remember to leave a comment. You know, leave a comment, guys. You know that this, if you open this now, oh look, you're gonna get some. The seeds inside is pretty much red. See that? Red seed in there. And you dry that and plant it for next year. Beautiful. Take care. Lots of love, guys. Lots of love. Ripe tomato. Lots of love, lots of love, lots of love. And ooh, don't forget that. Take care now, guys. Lots of love, lots of love.